In this video, we are going to install Oedro's floor mats, the front row, second row, and the cargo liner on a 2021 Tesla Model Y. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. It comes in a nice marked box by Oedro. Here we have your front row, 2 front row mats. Here's your second row mat. And your cargo liner. These floor liners offer protection against outside variables, such as mud, liquid, and snow. They will prolong the life of the interior in all weather. They are made of non-toxic TPE material, which is tough and durable, easy to clean, has better wear resistant, heat resistant, and flexible compared to your traditional PVC material. They are made with 3D laser tech to better fit your vehicle. This is made for the Tesla Model Y. It features deeply molded chevron-shaped thread pattern that captures and holds dirt, water, snow, and spills from hitting your carpet. Comes with Velcro to prevent from slipping or shifting or getting in the way of your pedal. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So here we have the front driver mat. As you can see, it has a nice fit. I like the high walls here. That's the front driver. This is your front passenger. So we have this side that looks like it's slightly bent up from shipping. The instructions does say that give it a few days and that would bend back in place. This is your second row. It has a nice tight fit all around. Maybe these can go a little higher to cover the carpet. Overall, looks good. I like these ridges. Anti-skid. Here is your rear cargo. It's a nice fit. Fresh off the box, you do have this little bend from shipping because it was folded in the box here. The manual does say give it a few days and this will flatten out. Or you can probably use a heat gun just to soften it up a little bit. Overall, does look nice. I do like it. So the easiest way to clean these mats is just using a damp cloth with some mild soap and water. You could also use Windex 409 or Armor All type cleaners. They also work well. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more videos just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.